Stay tuned for that. Also new tonight at 6, the state Supreme Court is deciding if women-only areas at gyms discriminate against men. And the decision could have a big impact on public spaces. Channel 3 Waterbury Bureau Chief Dennis Valera is live in the newsroom tonight. And Dennis, why are the arguments centered on one specific state law?
Well, Aaron, with the case centering on sex discrimination, the public accommodation statute was put into question, as it has exceptions when it comes to making space for people of a certain sex. Now, during the hearing, some justices expressed concern for the effect the case could have on other businesses.
It started as complaints from two men who tried to use equipment in women-only areas at an Edge Fitness and a Club Fitness location. Now it's a case in the state Supreme Court. In his argument, Human Rights Commission attorney Michael Roberts says these spaces are not protected under the state's public accommodation statute, which allows for separate sex bathrooms and allows organizations to arrange for same-sex lodging.
This court need only decide that our state's public accommodation statute does not have an implied, unwritten exception for customer gender privacy.
In their questions, the justices asked about the definitions of sex and gender, as well as sexual discrimination. Justice Christine Keller wondered if this would open the door for creating similar spaces elsewhere.
They can feel objectified almost anywhere. Does that mean we have to separate everybody everywhere? Do we have to have separate areas for women in bars?
Both gyms' lawyers argued these spaces were simply made to be safe areas for women.
The objectification that women experience causes self-objectification, which decreases performance and causes anxiety. So the women's only area is really only intended to protect women from that.
Now, it should be noted at Edge Fitness, to use the women-only area, you have to have the highest level of membership. Prices can be different depending on location. Now, no decision has been made yet, and it's not clear exactly when the court will make one. Live in the newsroom, Dennis Valera, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.